This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Paper, EO Online. It's a super fun and addictive game where you compete against other players to claim the most land. You can jump right in using your web browser or by downloading the free app on your phone. Your journey begins as a small block, and your main objective is to expand your territory by drawing lines and connecting them back to your base. Let's dive into the core mechanics. The core of Paper, EO involves moving your block to draw a trail, which represents your attempt to claim new land. To successfully capture this new area, you must complete a full loop by returning to your existing territory. Be careful, though. While you are drawing a line, your trail is exposed and extremely vulnerable. If another player crosses your line before you connect it, you will be eliminated from the game. This risk versus reward system makes every move critical. To succeed in Paper, EO, it's wise to start by claiming smaller, safer sections of land close to your initial territory. Resist the urge to draw extremely long lines too early, as this leaves you highly vulnerable to other players. Always keep an eye on your opponent's movements. Understanding their patterns can help you anticipate potential attacks or identify opportunities. Expanding your territory gradually and strategically will significantly reduce your risk of being eliminated, allowing you to build a strong foundation. Once you've mastered the basics, consider advanced tactics like trapping opponents by cutting off their escape routes when they are far from their base. Don't be afraid to steal territory from larger players. This is a quick way to expand your own area and challenge their dominance. Regularly patrol your borders to defend against encroaching rivals and secure your hard-won land. Ultimately, the goal is to achieve the highest percentage of owned land on the map, which will crown you the champion of Paper, EO.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.